Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing oats breakfast smoothie recipe for weight loss. This oats smoothie is easy to make in those busy mornings. It does not contain any added sugar and it helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Hence, it's ideal for weight loss and weight management. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make oats breakfast smoothie, into a bowl, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats. Into this, add in 7 cashew nuts. Add in half cup water. For sweetness, I am using 2 soft medjool dates. You can either add the dates while blending the smoothie, or you can soak it along with the oats and cashew nuts. And I'm going to soak it for 5 minutes. Soaking the oats helps in better digestion and also helps to release the phytates. Phytates prevents the body from absorbing nutrients. So roasting the oats or soaking the oats is beneficial to reduce the phytic acid. Okay, now it's about 5 minutes and the oats has soaked well. Now the reason why I added cashew nuts is to get some healthy fats. Cashew nuts are a good source of healthy natural fat. Healthy natural fat is much needed for better assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins. Now, if you don't have cashew nuts, you can use overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Into my blender, I'm adding in the soaked oats, cashew nuts and dates. Into this, I'm adding in 1 chopped apple, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. For some extra omega-3s, fiber and protein, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flaxseed. To make it more nutrient dense and vitamin C rich, I'm using 1 amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. Since amla is in season, I'm using this. However, if you don't have them, you can totally omit it, or you can also use 1 teaspoon dried amla powder instead. So I'm just slicing the amla and adding it into the blender. Amla also helps to fight off common cold. It's one of the richest sources of vitamin C. So try to include amla in your diet, especially when they are in season. I have already shared many amla recipes. Please do check them out on my channel. Into this, I'm adding in half cup of water. So total, I used 1 cup of water. This smoothie is dairy-free and vegan. If you don't have cashew nuts or almonds at hand, you can use cashew milk, almond milk or even coconut milk. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass. For some added crunch and a subtle chocolate flavor, I'm topping it with some raw cacao nibs. This is entirely optional. I like them because it gives a subtle chocolate flavor and a subtle crunch to the smoothie. Instead of raw cacao nibs, you can top it with chia seeds or any nut of your choice. And my healthy and nutrient-dense oats breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. The smoothie will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So guys, do try this healthy oats breakfast smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.